Hey everyone, I'm making more fall soaps today, and these are in the shapes of pumpkins and leaves. I didn't want these bars to be just one solid color. I felt like they needed something to make them pop a little bit. So what you see me doing here is just sprinkling on a little bit of copper colorant into the bottom of each mold. And this color will show up on the top of each soap bar. The copper color will actually make the leaves kind of look like they're changing colors. So the leaves are going to be in two different colors. I'm making them in yellow and green. And the pumpkins, of course, are going to be orange. Get used to seeing a lot of orange over the next couple of months because my favorite season is orange. After these had set up, I popped them out of the molds, and this is what they look like. Do you see what I mean about that copper colorant? It just kind of made them pop. I love how it had this effect on these soaps. And these are all scented in autumn woods. Autumn woods, it smells like you're walking through the woods in the fall with those crisp leaves and a little bit of pine and a little bit of berries falling off the trees. It just smells just like fall. It smells so good. And these will be sold as a 3-pack, so you'll get all 3 of these in one order. And they come in these gift boxes. And these will be available this Friday night, July 29th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you go to my website right now, you'll see them, but they will show as out of stock until Friday night. Thanks so much for watching.